everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the reinforced carrot rod skin in Fizit. So in this latest update, Fizit has a new event for the Easter event. And at this event, you can get this special rod skin like this, that looks like this. And then to get this, just go to the NPC Rabbit and then accept the quest. And after that, you will need to collect 5 carrots around this island, around this Easter island. And after that, after you complete collecting 5 carrots, just go back to this NPC and then just tap on okay, I have the basket, this one, and then you will get the new rod skin. This one, and it will look like this. This rod skin will look like this. It looks like a carrot, like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.